Hi guys, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic chili dip. With no cooking involved, just a handful of ingredients. Prik Nam Pla has a perfect balance of heat, sweet, salty, sour, the taste of Thailand. So Prik Nam Pla, what does it mean? Prik is chilies and Nam Pla is fish sauce. So we have Prik Nam Pla. Okay, let's prepare our Prik Nam Pla chili dip. How good does that look? Absolutely amazing. Oh, go on. Let's give it a try. It's got a fantastic taste. It's fresh. The flavors from this are amazing. They're bright, they're fresh. Okay, you've got the heat, sweet, sour, salty. A true taste of Thailand, which you will find in nearly every restaurant. Serving rice dishes, stir-fry dishes, you will always find a small pot of Prik Nam Pla on the table. And of course, you can add as much spice, saltiness as you want. The true taste of Thailand. Guys, if you like what we're doing, give the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time cooking real Thai food.